Alright guys, I want to eat samosa. Mama Abdi?
Yes.
How are you, man?
I'm good, and you?
I'm also good.
You're most welcome.
Yeah. Guys, I want to eat samosa right now here in our village. So that's how Nyabohanse looks like. And maybe I want to take you around to see the veggies. So when I'm missing here, I'll run to border town. Also have the guy with my bike on the other side. Mama Abdi?
Yes.
Bring paper.
This mandazi. Yes, this mandazi there.
So I want to eat samosa right now. Guys, this paper, something hot. Irish potatoes, we have eggs, I think oranges, pineapple,
Yes. So many things we have.
Rodiondo fruit.
Yes. And there is rice there.
Where?
Show them rice, brownie rice there.
Oh. What do you call pilau? Pilau.
There.
Oh my God. Also beans. I'm telling you, small, Kibandaski Hotel.
Show them.
You sell it all for your
I
family?
sell it. Yes.
Guys, I eat two, and also I have one of my friends.
I show you
Also
some vegetables. Greens.
Show me.
Here it is. You take yourself. Another video here.
Hey,
Yeah.
you cook a lot of food.
That's it.
I'm telling you. You suffer to deserve.
Yes.
All right. Guys, that's how my video start. If you're watching my videos,
Nowadays she's this way.
yeah.
She came from the stage, now she's in the market. Yes, I'm here in the market.
Wow.
Yes. I changed the place. Those ones who are looking for me, if you are looking for Mama Abdu, you come this way to the market.
Okay, I remember on the stage right there. Guys, also I need, to take two for my neighbor. Don't mind, guys. I have friends who, ride me to border town. Well.
That's it.
Your samosa is so sweet. Anyway, guys, if you're watching my videos and you don't know me, I'm Hello Baby Official, the only baby in Nyabohanse. You see how Nyabohanse looks like, And also this mandazi. Yeah. Okay, man. So I have maybe some a doll on my phone. That's 100 shillings. Hey. Okay, guys. 07 10
53
30 28. Guys, I need to be paid. Kautara. Kautara nyama komo. Okay, guys. Uganda in Nyabohanse. Look that kids. Anyway, guys, shows are Ugandan, Get married in Nyabohanse. Get married, not married. Get married in Nyabohanse. By Makoshi.
Makoshi
is not around. Okay, okay. Anyway, guys, let's go this way. Oh my god. So, I'm rushing, and that's how Nyabohansa looks like on videos. Cow grazing right here, you know. Wow. So also that's the Junior's construction right here, and I'm heading this way, guys, you know. So I want to meet with one of my guy. Also, he was my neighbor who taking care of my bike, because I told him okay. Imagine, guys, I'm going to buy some veggies in Bora town. Iga wemba kope kweko ai haikonsani na okay. Yore madam Koroboke man. Poa kabisa. Johnny, otatika mama wiki kayo. This is a small business, eh?
Yeah, small business. Uniongeze mtaji so that I can grow. Nikuwe somewhere better.
As a young lady.
I want to be a
So no need to care. Okay. Amona niko hivi business biashara ni ya huyu.
Ni yangu. Ama mimi I'm huge.
You're huge. To be honest, the way my spirit told me, she's the owner of the business.
It's mine. It's mine.
Eh? Tango lini?
Mimi ni customer, mbona amenichangia
Haya jamani. Sasa mimi sina za zitanitosha kwa.
Unavana banda.
40.
Itakutosha.
Utanchenya na masenti. Johnny, say hello, John. Okay.
Say hi to our subscribers.
To my subscriber. Okay, I love your business. That's how we start, small. One day you have a bigger, house,
as
shop.
A businesswoman. I want to achieve my goals so that I can be a better person in the future.
Aya, tembe ni kurichi ni boda. Managu. Okay. Aya, they will promote you. Okay, guys. So for me, I'm just rushing like that, guys, and I missed coming near Nyabohansa. Even the road have been constructed, you can see, guys, for yourself. Oh man, it's crazy. Guys, my history remember on this tall building right here, and also I'm heading this way. Yeah, heading to Bora town, man. It's evening time. I decided to shoot the videos. Going to Bora town, buying my mama some veggies, and also I think 3 eggs, because I'm not recommended to eat eggs, Yeah. Wow. Also, guys, the sun goes that way. You can see. When I'm going to build a house with my blocks, it looks like this one. You have arrow roots or yams, whichever the case. Babu! I'm good, man.
I'm heading.
I'm heading to Bora town.
How about home there?
Yeah?
I think home is good.
Home is good.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Okay, guys. So let's go. I'm trying to pass at Nyabohansa Street, heading to Bora town. Making some small shopping, guys, for my mama. Let's see $1 what you can afford in the rural in Kenya or rural in village here. We want to see, guys, actually it's 100 bob, and I want to see how, like $1 it's equivalent to 150 shillings Kenyan money. So I want to see what I can afford to buy for my mom. Various egg, because yesterday I bought tomatoes. Mura, baby.
Safi.
Ekiwari.
Safi. Kama tivi.
Sana mangana.
Ya tukunda virata ya disi mzuri.
Sana mazenzi sasa ngomposa. Wallahi. Labda ronde. Kugendero na skuru si.
Skuli bado ndenge.
Hayo ronde score.
Boda.
Sibani ama Nyamara.
Nyamaraga. Ifi.
Haya. Akore pero ronde. Okay guys, you see how African sands looks like? Look at this gap right there. And I'm trying to magnify it in local way by using my hand. You see? Right there, that's African sand, man. This is crazy. Let's go guys, let's go. You know, and I'm trying, you know, to find myself at home when it's evening time, taking, you know, cows to the house. Look, nice apartments, and I think this is a rental house right here, and also that one here, you know. Look, people building, man, massive perimeter wall. Look, all the way. Yeah guys, I just start my videos random. Oh my god, why I put sambosa, I throw it. Anyway guys, guys, it's crazy. Okay, I have 2 samosa here for my friend, you know. So we'll see him on these videos, guys. He will take me up to border town and then coming back. So big congratulations, this Dimango's land right here. You see guys, I want to say congratulations to Dimango. David Jr. normally says Sister D. Okay, let's go. Oh.
Yo baby.
Oh yeah. Guyande man. Korabo.
Hi guys.
Hey. Wagwan man. That's how Nyabansa looks like. Okay. I met my guy who taking care of my bike. I have something for you. Have this.
Okay.
That's sambusa. Eat and then we go.
Thank you.
Okay guys. So because I was parking him here, looking my bike, and then we drive me to border town. I think we go this way and then boom. So my mom, she has no idea I see some animal here. I don't know where I can zoom. Guys, bear with me. No. Okay guys, I want to show you that animal. You know. I don't know whether I can take picture or photos. No, my god. It's going that way, but I don't know. Let's capture it. It's right there, guys. I think guys you can see that animal, but it's very far, you know. So let me go closer. I don't know, maybe they will see me and then jump, I don't know. But anyway, I want to show you. It's jumping like choo. Imagine this place, it could be a swampy area. I don't know. Oh my god, stepping on a swampy area. That bird is running, man. I don't want to go there. Sometime you'll find some snake here, you know. Anyway, this place, it could be swampy area, and even right now as we speak, it's swampy area. So you don't know what's insect are inside, you know. That's how I roll my videos, guys, in our village, passing on this bush area, you know, and also this yam, you know, very sweet. And I remember that lady where I'm buying those sambosa. They show me how they cook. They have already been cooked. Whoa. Oh my god. This is matatu right there. Okay. And guys, it's around 8:10, you know, 18:10. I mean, 6:10 p.m. my local time. So late. So I'm rushing to border town. Rushing to border town. Mama Nangere. That Boyore. Okay, fresh. Let's go. Getting to the motorbike like that. Yeah, I'm going to go get a kibretore. So, okay, that's how your pants looks like. Mora means slowly, pole, no pressure, guys. As we go to make shopping, I'm trying to use a long distance so I can able, you know, to film my videos. Bossy! Freshy! Yeah, that's what's there, guys. Let's go. African dog. Okay. It's so late, guys. I'm running with time. Police post in Yabohansi. Funny! Okay, so guys, no time to waste. It's to chase our dream, you know, day by day, you know. And also, guys, this road are very, like, it's very popular, you know. It's not the camera. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa, wow. I don't know, guys, if you can see me clear. This road going to Amaro's home, also to my friend's land down there, you know. Everything has its own time, you know. And right here, I think it's Nasto's home, Nasto's place. People are building here in our village. What about Hello Baby, you know? When I'm saying I'm going to build, other people try to put me down with no reason, man. Why not me? Why not me? If other people they can build, why not Hello Baby official? If other people they can try to make it by their own self, by themselves, why not Hello Baby official? You know, guys. Yeah, we are here to chase our dream, you know, day by day and back to back videos. Banga videos. Local bridge, I miss this place, man. I miss a lot. Oh, it's evening, cow grazing there. wakimunigorigoro tugutera straight there awai montoro wichimburibo. Wow. And also guys, the village down right here where I'm showing you, I don't know if you can see the white stuff, like the white paint, I mean, from a distance, right there, right there, right there. Let's go. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed guys, subscribe. I see the ladies pushing cars. Look the sun guys. Wow. That's how things go. My mama, she was sitting at home, no clue what's going on, like no idea, supper time, I just pull up with supper at home. And it's very difficult for me to film my videos evening hours. Very difficult. Very. Right there, there's a church, African church. That's how it looks like. On this side, people are planting maize. I see sugarcane from a distance. Yeah. Farming is our backbone, man, for sure. Farming is our backbone. Yeah. It's a fantastic evening as you watch the sun from other side, but it's because you can't see it clear. Guys, should I build a house like this? What do you think by yourself? What do you think? Look at that house. Let me show you guys. Right there. Should I build a design like that? Yeah. And I'm trying to advise upcoming generation, or if maybe you are my age set outside there, please try as you can, to support your parents at home. If you have maybe both of them, support them, Like for me, I have my single parent, that's my African mom, and I do support her as I can. When maybe something's difficult, I don't support. But if I can support where my level can reach, I support my mom. I will not. And 100% check my videos out. Likewise to these videos, Yeah, I do support my mom. Having some Lego stuff. like that. Yeah. And on my videos it's one cut, nothing to be hide. Since I'm shooting my videos, I'm really rolling the videos up to border town. Green nature everywhere. See guys, look even on this side here, super green. Montaje. There's a church right there, you know, covered by mabatis. African church. Right guys, we are rushing with time, and we're gonna see what we're supposed to buy. On this side people are golden. Guys, when I'm passing here I see an like amazing, like, you know, house. I want to show you on this corner right there is a nice house. And also you guys will try to figure out what do you think about this house. See that? Look, see that by yourself. But right now the good thing, they have been fenced. Whoa. It's very difficult, guys, for me to shoot the videos during evening time, you know, even to capture some stuff here and there. It's very difficult. Town for you. So right now we managed to go to town where business taking every day. The tall building here, they have been under construction. Ladies' clothes. Guys, sorry for the music. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. But the good thing, people are outside, man. You see, no problem. People are outside, you know, buying some stuff here and there. Okay. Pemera han. We, pemera no be am sin. Guys, I wanna spoil my guy here. He was my neighbor also. So my Joko man. Wait, sije nikwambia upime dagaa. Kumbe hakuna hela. Uwe. Wono kaanchu kudurete. No kaanchu kudurete. That one is enough. Yeah?
Thank you.
Okay. Hey. Take care. And guys, I'm waiting change for my mama. I could buy some veggies. Oh, alright, let's go. I thought I know couple too, but can I hang your mind? Yeah, African culture. Will it suck? Alright. Let's go. No, that's a macabre. Mama cara, pega a reta. Ni sawa mara. It's a busy time right now, guys, you know. People are outside rushing home, you know. Whoa. Chadi! Baby Caro! I see the lady, one of the lady having a scooter. They may run. They are neat. Subuke. Buka. Boa. Tua helmet, tua kuona. Tua helmet tua kuona. Siwezi kutoa. You can introduce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Baby Caro, and right now actually I'm heading home.
Okay.
So I'm going to pick my sister on the other side.
Yeah, I see her.
You see that? Because,
When did you give me a ride on this scooter?
Yeah?
When did you give me a ride, a special ride?
Any day when you are free, you tell me.
Okay.
Yeah, then you have a ride.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, even me, I just came here to make shopping for my mama and then rushing home.
Oh.
Yeah, you know, it's very difficult to make a video evening time.
Because of the time.
Yes.
And right now it's getting dark.
But I'm Floyd vibe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just scared of the traffic.
Check you. You know where this baby Caro?
Yeah, so I'm scared of crossing.
Crossing? Let's go.
I'm waiting for this Nissan to move
No.
because it's
Let's-
blocking.
No. You see? Gari inakuja sasa, utafanyaje? Go this way. Oh. Go. You just go. What do you fear? Kidogo tu boss. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I have my guy here. I was meeting baby Caro. Hi, bye. Here. Okay. I'm telling you guys, it's very difficult for me shooting videos in border town. You know, that's tank. But at least you see the movement of people during evening time, you know, like that ladies. Evening vibe. Okay. So guys, they're putting gas here. You see all those trucks? Total company. Agan man. Business right here. And guys, I normally buy some cement here, wheelbarrow spare on that tall building right there. See, others are under construction. Yeah, border town are really growing, man. You know, in terms of building, #1. See, also tiles I normally buy here during construction of my toilet. Okay. So, because right now people are rushing, going home, driving like crazy, we need to go slowly. God, we're gonna go, man, like that. But at least right now you see the movement of people up and down. Up and down. That's two banks, Equity and the Cooperative Bank, you know. But I'm trying to make some research, the charges of maybe Equities and Cooperative and also KCB, you know. Whoa. Yeah, you must be very careful. Whoa, whoa. Also, business have been taking place right there. This is a hospital. I'm telling you guys. Woo! This car, you know, are going slow. See? But the good thing, people are outside, man, you know. Ember. Yeah. Hanoi. Songambe. I want to buy Vegas. Hanoi. Wananipitireza. Shika. Hizi ni tamu. Haya basi pim. Dengo kupim. Sulete mfuko. Guys, that's my bike. You see how it's shining. And I want to buy some veggies here, guys.
Shika basi nikiweke.
Niweke vizuri.
Akina kupimia vizuri. Yanga. Justin.
Weka za nini? Wanto komando ngongera. Haya. Sasa ngoja. Niongeze sasa kwanza. Nikuambie vile nataka kukuambia. Leta mfuko mwingine uweke mifungo miwili.
Au mwingine?
That's very so high block. Kama nina masent. That's from my mama, you know. Haya. Itakuwa ngapi? Guys, I'm crossing. I want to buy eggs right here. Haya, nifungie mayai.
Karibu customer, mayai 3 ni 50, mayai 3 ni 50 na mayai 6 ni 100, mayai 6 ni 100. Vile vile kuna
Nani anauza?
5 kwa 80, ofa ya mayai 5 kwa 80. Karibu customer, mayai 3 ni 50, mayai 3 ni 50 na mayai 6 ni 100, mayai 6 ni 100. Vile vile kuna ofa ya mayai 5 kwa 80, ofa ya mayai 5 kwa 80. Karibu customer, mayai 3 ni 50, mayai 3 ni 50 na mayai 6 ni 100, mayai 6 ni 100. Vile vile kuna ofa ya mayai 5 kwa 80, ofa ya mayai 5 kwa 80.
Kwa nini umenisahau nikijana jioni na changa mayai?
Mayai 3 ni 50, mayai 3 ni 50 na mayai 6 ni 100, mayai 6 ni 100.
Guys, I'm buying it,
Ofa ya mayai 5 kwa 80, ofa ya mayai 5 kwa 80. Karibu customer, mayai 3 ni 50, mayai 3 ni 50 na mayai 6 ni 100, mayai 6 ni 100.
Oh, I wonder, guys. Oh, great. Guys, it gets too late and I have some shopping here. Heading home, you know, too late. But it is what it is. Floyd right to the end, you know. That's V-Power shit right here. You know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. For the very first time shooting my videos late at night time, you know. Look at that. Woo! But right now you see at least some green stuff, you know. There's one song like Commando, Commando, Commando. Nico Fire. There's a house, you know. Oh my God! Rushing home night time. Look even at yeah. There's a church, school right on this side, hospital, you know. And I'm telling you guys, in Africa, most schools, they're supposed to have a church, you know. It's a must, it's a mandatory to have a church. Like this is a school having a church. Where my sister land, it also have a church, you know. Teme paid it is. Ate koma. Wait. This is a way bridge here, guys. Let's go, guys. What should I do? I'm shooting the way it is. Yeah, these are shopping here. Holding like that. You know. Dump site here. It's smelling so bad. New vibe. And guys, I'm just filming the way it is, and I upload maybe today the way it is. Maybe it's a tomorrow's video. It depends, guys. You know, I will release the way it is, or maybe I will see. Anthony, Tracy, wait, milkman, walking with milk on the container. Yeah, guys, I'm free-hearted, you know. I bought veggies from my mama And I decide, let me buy for my neighbor right here who driving me, you know. Man, sometimes it's good, you know, support each other, you know, support each other. That's a chance. Woo! Now you're my head there. I'm rushing home with supper, man, you know. Woo! It gets dark. Come on, Mela. Oh yeah, enjoy. Wow. Woo! Even our local shop has been closed. Imagine, guys, all the way where I left the tarmac, it's 2.5 kilometers, and I bring the wife back home. You know, it's very, you know, very long distance. Very. Woo. Hey, hey. Tricky situation. But right now you can see clear. It's because maybe my camera is zooming, I don't know. When I get out from the bike, I'll show you. Heading to my village. Look how it looks like. Whoa. Whoa. This is a tricky situation. This is the guy who, you know, having my money. I'm trying to deny my money, you know. Give me time. Yeah. Even look at my home. Do you know how to live on living, man? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. Even car outside. Hey, hey. What is this? That's good. Look at this. Mama, how you are? Okay, that's my brother. Kokote na makay. Kokote na makay. Bakit nung ese boy? Back home, guys. Night time. But I don't know. Right now I'm just around here and I need to buy mandazi for our breakfast, and that's my bike right there. So that's how Nyabansi looks like. Bok, mandazi, mandazi, mandazi. You
Hi
good?
guys, hello good people. Hello everyone.
I'm good. So guys, I need to buy mandazi. Where? Karichimbe sana cha soda ni hichi. Wini? Iko stoni. Eh? Okay, let me confirm in my phone.
How many? 100.
Dogo. Guys, this mandazi here. Ana gairen? Ana gairen?
Eh? Ameenda wapi kama?
Unyenge? Amani story ya ajabu. Okay guys, I'm totally hungry. Also, let me confirm the time. What are you? It's 11:31. What are you saying? So the one period in the yes or any man. Okay. No. Ni kwa simu? Ni kwa simu? 07 13 23 ama 24?
23
Tena
04 confirmation
04
13 24 23 04.
Meaning it's my parts. You know guys, so this is Vanu Nyenge. Okay, Christine Rioba. So I don't know how guys, even I left my stock here for my the soda. Don't get carry a bike. I'm a man, don't struggle. I'll do like this. Anyway, tell me end the night. Bana Icoston. I see. There is one of my soda remaining there. So anytime maybe I'll take it later, not now. Yeah. Guys, you wanna see me heading home like crazy, you know? And yeah. So I'm around at Blue Rock Hotel right here. Oh, fresh man. I'm taking mandazi. If somebody maybe they want to eat something there. But we are not a manager. Okay, guys. Also, guys, I want to combine my video from my yesterday videos. Actually, I do it around evening time, and then I need to combine here. So maybe this is my last videos, you know. Look guys, amazing view, man. You know, people have been parked cars right, left, centers. Right there you have two hardwares, portion mill, again hardware, you know. So our village, they're really growing, you know, in terms of maybe infrastructures, you know, building, man, something amazing, you know. All right guys, so right now I'm heading home, and also I need to have my strong breakfast. So I was having mandazi right here, and that's how I go home, you know. Cha-cha, fresh, heading home. Kasongo. Okay. Let's go, guys. Now guys, sometimes it's good, you know, to support our parents, you know, as long as I'm alive, and I thank God for my good health. I want to support as I can. So this is a school right here. See, it's under construction. Most of the school gates, you know, and also it has a church right there. And guys, I told you most African schools must have a church. Most African schools must have a church. That house. Oh, I love it. From a distance. Right now at least we have good roads, and we try, you know, to drive our bike like this easily. That's nice corn right there. Dima. I'm greeting one of the guy. Alright guys, so right now I'm just around at my village, and it's an amazing day, man. You can see outside how the nature looks like, man. Super amazing. I'm outside, you know, in my own struggle. Oh my God. Sorry. Woo! Mr. Lover. Mr. Bombastic. Alright guys, I'm just back home, and I'm having some African snack, but in Swahili way we're calling mandazi. So, you know, when you say mandazi mean this. And I need to have my breakfast, and then from that we see what we're supposed to do, you know. And also you see our cow grazing right there, you know. And I think I see some 2 big avocados here. In the evening my brother is supposed to peel it. You see them right there. And also guys, in future, I think by January, I'm thinking to cut these trees, all of them down, because it's not good nearly the house or the homestead, and also they're all closer to the toilets. I need to cut them, all of them down. So I need to remain in an empty space. I plant flowers, I plant maybe some trees, fruits on this compound, and then, you know, maybe I left other places where maybe I'm going to build, because we didn't have like a huge space. We have a small space where I can fix my house, and then life continues. But right now I'm just focusing with my mama house, and I shall see what's supposed to do. next. This is our beautiful cow. Anyway guys, we shall meet at the end of this video guys. Stay tuned. So let me have my strong breakfast, and then the rest, I think each and everyone will take one because I bought around 5 of them. Mama will eat 2, me and my brother will eat one, you know, things like that. So we shall meet at the end of this video guys, so stay tuned.